Hello everyone, my name is Elder Buenaño and today I will give you the 6 steps to carry out a literature review. I think this is very important. It is because it helps the researchers understand what has already been studied on a topic, identify gaps and provided the foundations for new researches. Well, we have the first one, we have the identified key terms. As the name says, in this part we are going to define the scope of the research. In this part we are going to begin by generating a list of keywords and phrases related to the research topic and the questions. And the next one we have the located the literature. As the name says, locate. Well, in this part we have to find the relevant academic sources. I think that in this part is fundamental to use the different tools, like for example Google Scholar, or also we have the institutional library where we can find the different books, and also we have to research for the peer review articles and reports relates to the topics or to the topic. And the next one we have the number 3, evaluate it and select the literature. As the name says, evaluate and select. In this part we have to choose the most credible and relevant resource. In this part we have to investigate and to research and evaluate each one based on its credibility, like the author, the publication, the year, And the next part we have the number 4, organize the literature. As I said, the name, organize. In this part we have to structure the findings in logical ways. We have to group the literature by themes, chronology, methodologies, perspectives, to help the visuals, patterns and relationship. The next one we have the synthesize the literature. And this part we have to combine the insights from multiple sources. In this part we have to, instead of summarizing each study separately, analyze and prepare them to identify trends, agreements, contradictions and gaps. And the last one we have the write the literature review. As the name says, in this part finally we have to write the review by integrating the synthesized information and using subheadings to organize the grading and cite all sources appropriately. And yep, I think that's it. Well, in conclusion, I can say that each step in this literature review builds upon the previous ones. Each step helped to build up, like I will tell you again, the identify key, locating, evaluate, organize and synthesize, and finally write the literature review. 2, provides a solid academic context for the research proposal. Yep, I think that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.